National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida, 20 nautical miles over Atlantic offshore.
Devastation that had fallen in our backyard. Flood water, falling timber, power out throughout our town. 48 hours of wind and torture force us to hunker down. Oh, waiting the storm's departure, only to hear that roar on their way. We must pick up these pieces now that the storm has passed. We must find a new beginning, somewhere to carry on. At the storm's dissipation, we got out to walk around. The more we survey the damage, the more it looks like a battleground. Unroofed houses revealed our neighbors' struggles to escape this monster's grasp. Awaiting the storm's departure, only to hear that roar on their way. We must pick up these pieces now that the storm has passed. We must find a new beginning, somewhere to carry on. 'Cause I know it's been difficult, but we have to carry on. And I know that it's stress us out, we have to carry on. We have to carry on. We have to carry. We must pick up these pieces now that the storm has passed. We must find a new beginning, somewhere to carry on. 'Cause I know it's been difficult, but we have to carry on. And I know that it stresses us out, we have to carry on. We have to carry on. We have to carry.
Flood warning for the following counties in Florida: Lake, Seminole, and Volusia. For the St. Johns River near the land, minor flooding is occurring with a stage of 4.6 feet at 12 p.m. Monday. Moderate flooding is forecast with a maximum stage of 5.0 feet Saturday, which is 0.8 feet above flood